Up to the beach, baby, let's get it. I don't know, we headed to the beach, Destin Beach, baby, let's get it. I had a Miami invite, you know, it's gonna be lit, but I'm locked in right now. We digging, baby. We chose Destin, it's my brother's birthday. We're gonna have a chill weekend, we're gonna have some fun. Keep it PG-13 like usual. It is spring break down there. I just kind of put that together as of yesterday, so.
This might be a real movie.
This might be a movie. This might be a cinema. This is exactly what I got in trouble for. Alright, whatever. We'll just run it. Alright guys. We've ran into a problem. It's now acquired a noise it didn't have before I took it to the shop. Whatever. It's gotta be the exhaust, because he took the exhaust off.
Yeah. Bro, you're fine.
I know, but I want to mount it right.
Keep in mind your car's like...
Dude, I know this thing doesn't make me hold it.
That's some broke boy stuff right there.
Hold this. No, I'm just kidding. I want to drive the R8. Dude, the Lambo's just too loud.
Yeah?
My ears, bro. So I'm getting rid of it. It's way too loud. It's like hard to like just drive around. Like you just can't. Because it's just like bam, bam, bam.
Looks so good though.
Oh, I know. It definitely does. But that doesn't mean we won't get another one. I want to, what is it, Revolto?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's next. We have a few things to take off before that.
We got yogurt last night. The kid goes, I like your guys' rental. Hayden goes, do you have a sister?
Buddy, it would have been a bad deal if he gave me his sisters instead. It would have been game. It would have been raps for him. Don't drip it. You can't drip.
I'm the king of the drip.
Oh.
Lick it off. Oh, never mind. That is not you.
Wait,
Jordan.
hold on. This is Hayden right here.
What? Let's go, bro. We're not gonna be at the beach till nighttime.
Bro.
Oh, my fault. Oh my God.
There he is.
There you are, Jordan. Hot and spicy. Little sausage.
You guys got me.
Actually, it's more like a mac and cheese bite.
Here,
See, I've never had Jordan
creamy.
take so long to say something back. This is rare. He's been off these last few days. It's too easy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm just stopping by. Yeah, I'm just stopping by.
This time, baby.
On the highway and I'm thinking that I love her. On the highway and I'm thinking ain't no rubber. On the highway with my significant lover.
I chain, my fuel for your consumption. One chain for the vein. It's fine.
On the highway and I'm thinking that I love her. On the highway and I'm thinking ain't no rubber. On the highway with my significant lover.
All right, we made it to Alice Beach. It was a little bit of a dig, 2 hours. We didn't get pulled over though, that's a positive. We did pass a lot of cops, so thank God we didn't. A little family weekend for Hudson's 15th birthday. Let's get it.
Fool, don't say that.
Big boy.
He's okay. He's still 15. He's turning 16.
do that.
Not exactly sure if I want to put this in or if we're gonna put this in, but if we do, we're going to a little invitational Panama City, called an event, spring break event. Got invited to. I'm about it. Go have some fun for a little, but you know, we're locked in right, so we're keeping it chill. It's 8 o'clock right now, so I mean, we should only be out till about 10 and back in bed. This beautiful bed of mine. Thinking about how I'm gonna get up and train in the morning. Cause I actually do have to train in the morning, so that's why I'm going to bed early. What do you do? The rentals. No, I'm just kidding.
Nah. I don't believe that.
No, I do YouTube.
Oh.
What's your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Haiden Deegan and the Deegans. I have a family channel too. Evidently, we got paint tonight. Look at that, dude. Throw some paint at people.
Our last paint party, they poured a whole bucket on my head.
Oh, yeah, I do not want that. Drive home in a Lambo and paint all over. when we go out.
These hoes are cheap souls, head on with that cold, bro. Now that boy slumped over. They do it all for soul, so you wasn't making no noise. Y'all know I'm a grown boy. Your clip full of bro boys. God, y'all some robots. God, y'all some robots. We GBE dope boys. We get lots of dope boys. And they love them glow boys. Know we from the go boy, but we cannot go boy. No, I don't know old boy.
We got my brother Haiden Deegan in the building.
It's my bad time. I gotta run in the morning. I'm so pissed. I low-key lost my voice again. I just regained it from Nashville. Now I've lost it again.
Bro, literally, like, loses his voice just as much as he wins motos, dog.
Really appreciate y'all though, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, of course, dude. We had a blast with y'all boys.
The V10.
I'll be safe. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What a guy! All right, we out at the beach, Alice Beach. You know, this is the private beach club. This is exclusive. My parents are building a house in this area. I'm not gonna say where, but in this area, we get like full access to like. There's like a full beach club. There's like food usually, pools. It's a super sick hangout area. But right now they're working on the pool, so down on the beach. Yeah. But anyways, chill on the beach today. Chill vibes. Yeah, let's go check it out. The water is like stupid clear here. All right, we're about to see if it's warm. I haven't been here in a while. Whoa.
Oh,
that is not warm.
That ain't warm.
Damn. Why is it so? Why is it not hot?
Dude, that is an ice bath.
Yeah. Look how clear it is though. It literally looks like you're about to swim in like a glacier, bro. It is. Why is it so cold? It's really hot here.
That makes sense why no one's in.
No one's in the water. Everyone's just walking on the edge. Yeah. Damn, I thought it was gonna be hot. That blows.
Yeah, I'm so sore from all those ab circuits that Hayden put me through. I know. Got the 4-pack coming in finally.
Hopefully, bust out a few 450 titles. Be like 25, retire. My beautiful wife and 3 kids.
Uncle Jordan.
He's having 3 kids?
And Uncle will still be single.
He's having 3?
I'll have 3.
I'm gonna have 7.
Doug, you aren't having kids, but you're gonna be so old by the time you get a girl, you can't have kids.
An old guy.
I just want a baby mama.
One day. I look, you have an arm on me, dude. Ah! Ah! I always dropped it in the pocket every time I got that ball. 6th grade, they had me on the wall at school for the most miles ran. Sheesh. I had to look away.
Yeah, I went to film up and it wasn't up there.
No, Jordan's gonna regret this, dude. You're gonna regret that, bro. You think you're getting tan? Just wait. That's too hot for all that. All right, let's go. Let's go chill at the house for a second. Yeah. I need to cool down. I'm overheating. All right, big day for Hudson. This is huge.
It's his 18th birthday.
Hudson is turning, how do I put this into words? The birthday Hudson is turning into now, he was telling girls it happened 2 years ago. But now the birthday he's telling girls is happening in 2 years. So we're in the middle right now of a difficult situation.
A dog.
Damn. But
Yeah, we
I need to find a girl as beautiful as his view.
Dead ass. Girls love this. Girls, when you post a view on your story, like 50 girls will swipe up on it.
This place is very old money, you know, like generational wealth. We are very new money, and you can very much tell when we're here.
I'll give you the world, baby girl. You just gotta be. They really be making fun of him for his hit song.
Was that the Drake video?
Twice. It isn't that funny. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing along. Happy birthday, dear Hudson. Happy birthday to you. You can't wish for a car. They said no. Something else.
Dog, it's on the side of your foot. It's running away.
Tonight that I fall for you over again.
You know, like those situations where like you're doing something and you don't think about it, and you're like, you see people staring after, and you're like, damn, was that embarrassing? That was us like the entire time of dinner. You don't realize how obnoxious you are until you're on people that are old money and not obnoxious and very like a lot of etiquette. This is definitely new money. We ain't got a lot of old money. We got a lot of new money though.
Give the world, baby girl, you just gotta be worth it. Ow, ow, ow. All right, that wraps up the night. Hudson's birthday. We got one more day left here. It's a Saturday night at the beach, so not much more to that. Probably chill. Maybe go ride some bikes around. But yeah, wrap on a Saturday and one more day tomorrow. We're headed home. Quick little weekend trip with the fam for Hudson's birthday and get a chill, dope crib by the beach. So had some fun, but let's see what we're gonna do next. All right, that's a wrap. Alice Beach, that's where we are. Sometimes we get lost. That is a wrap. Parents moving here. I'm not. I'm stuck in Tallahassee and building a compound in Georgia, so that's what we're stuck on. My parents are building an absolute crib here, so that's sick. But yeah, a little weekend off. You know, we got a little chill weekend. It was chill vibes. We kept it super chill. We behaved.
The boys behaved. Now it's time for the boy to lock back in for that East Coast West Coast
Rip
showdown.
some people's heart out. All right, anyway, subscribe, add a like to the video, and see you guys next Thursday.
Yeah.
We GBE dope boys. We got lots of dope.